Again, we get some nice looking cars and trucks coming in for the Ugly Car Show. I like your parking brake. Very good. I like it. Very nice. Oh, perfect. Oh, that's great.
The title definitely fits.
Oh, that's it. That's it. And you drive for Uber with this, huh?
No, definitely not.
Oh, excellent, excellent. My gosh, what a POS. This is wonderful. Just wonderful. What's broken on it?
A lot. Loose motor mounts, that broken door handle.
Yeah.
Tires are starting to wear down.
Well, come on, look at the aspect here.
Do you see how cocked out there?
Yeah, come on. That's insane. But it drifts real nice.
Yeah, she gets me from point A to point B. That's about it.
Perfect. And with personality.
Yeah.
That's great. What year is she?
In 1994.
94, all right. Oh, I like your hood hinges reinforcement there.
Yeah, there was a wing on there at one point.
Oh, okay.
From the previous owner.
Gotcha.
They were never able to take these out though.
No, those stay. I thought you had repaired the hood hinges. This is great. This is great. Manual transmission, good show. Fantastic. Sounding pretty good here. Manual transmission, nice. 65? 66? See how good I am. That is great. Perfect for today. Perfect for today. We like it.
Long ride, sir. Well, listen.
Like the turn signals. Let's see what we got there. Don't want to step in other people's photos. What's cool is that the York Photography Club is here today. So it's pretty neat. Nice little LS. Cool truck. This is perfect. Absolutely perfect. Love the lug nuts. Modern suspensions. Got discs up front. Proper amount of rust. Good interior. Nice and ratty. Oh, great stuff. Good bed. Now that's a right proper truck for you. Little police cruiser. Do you still have the sirens?